There's something almost magical about breaking into a warm chocolate cake and watching liquid chocolate pour out. And today we are making that happen completely vegan. We start with the most important element, the lava itself. Heat 80 milliliters of full-fat coconut milk until just steaming. Then pour it over 100 grams of chopped dark chocolate with a teaspoon of maple syrup and a pinch of salt. Let it sit for a full minute before stirring. This works because the residual heat of the coconut milk melts the chocolate gently and evenly. Stirring too early disrupts that process. What you get is silky emulsion, fat molecules from the coconut milk surrounding cacao solids and sugar in a smooth, glossy suspension. Pour the ganache into a small semi-spherical silicone molds and freeze for 30 to 45 minutes until completely solid. Once frozen, press two halves together to form a perfect sphere. Flat sides bond instantly from the heat of your hands, sealing all that liquid chocolate inside. This ball is your lava core, and it will melt from the outside in during baking, staying fluid at the center while cake sets around it. Now for the batter. Melt 100 grams of dark chocolate with 60 grams of vegan butter. Short bursts in the microwave or gently over bain-marie. Let it cool slightly first. Adding cold liquid to hot chocolate too fast risks the chocolate seizing, where proteins clump and the mixture turns grainy. Whisk in 80 grams of caster sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 60 milliliters of plant milk. You can use both soy and oat. They both work beautifully. So mix everything until glossy, then sift in the dry ingredients. 90 grams of flour, 15 grams of Dutch processed cacao, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. Mix just until smooth. Overmixing develops gluten, which gives you a tough, chewy texture. The last thing you want in a lava cake. Preheat to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Celsius with a fan. Grease your ramekins really thoroughly. Because we're not using eggs, there's less structural protein in this batter, so preparation matters here. Fill each ramekin halfway, press the ganache sphere into the center, then cover with the remaining batter and level the tops. The bowl should be completely enclosed, sealed in on all sides. Now bake for 8 to 10 minutes. You're looking for edges that are set slightly and pulling away from the ramekin. Start checking at 8 minutes. Now out of the oven, rest for just 1 minute to let the structure firm up slightly. Then it goes straight to the table. Serve right in the ramekin just as it is. Break into the center and the ganache sphere, gently warming the entire time it was baking. Flows out as rich, glossy river of chocolate. If you want more recipes, subscribe. There's a lot more coming.